In front of me is Redmi Note 14s, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. Begin by selecting any app you wish to use in this view at the top half of your screen. Launch it, open it in the background and hold it. Now click on this icon with two rectangles. Tap on Home button and select your second app. As you can see now, I can use both at once. To go back from this mode, drag one of your apps all the way up or all the way down and hit Home button, or swipe both in the background. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!